I'm Marcus from All Ages Airsoft, and today we've got another unboxing video. A Proforce Sig Air MCX. Nice box, very nice box. Probably the best bit about the gun, personally. Anyway, there we are. You have a manual with a loading tool. A magazine that I've already taken out the box, that was underneath here. And the main gun. So I'm just gonna, massive bag. What I'm gonna do is take the box out the way and show you the gun. Right, here we are, a Sig MCX Vertus Proforce. It is made very, very nicely. Extendable stock. I personally think these are overpriced, I've got to say. They're a nice gun, they're well made, but they're expensive. And personally, for me, and I think a lot of my customers will say the same thing, that stock is too short. I could do with an extra inch, 2 inches of stock travel on that, but hey ho. Nice M-Lock tan front grip, normal 14mm counterclock muzzle brake, ambidextrous magazine, safety catch, also ambidextrous magazine release, not ambidextrous bolt release, which is a bit weird, but hey ho. Locks the fake bolt carrier assembly to the rear, and then the catch allows it to go forward. Nice gun. Very, very expensive, very well built, as you would expect. These are front wired, so to remove the grip, you have to pull the pin. Now, here's where I think they might have cocked up a little bit. You have to pull the pin, and it comes out all the way. So in theory, what you could do by accident is easily pull the entire upper receiver off the gun. Because it's front wired, as you can see here are the battery connections, you could easily pull that free from the wiring and potentially, I say this loosely, potentially cause yourself a problem. But that's a gorgeous piece of metalwork. They've done a very, very nice job on it. The front lockdown pin goes through this pin here. You have flush cuffs left and right at the rear of the front handguard. Obviously M-Lock in the 9, 3 and 6 o'clock positions, and a piece of Picatinny to match up with the Picatinny on the 12 o'clock position. The bolt cover closes nicely and opens nicely. That's not sprung powered, which I think is a bit disappointing. So yeah, what you'd have to do is somehow hold your battery in here while you slip the battery cover over, and then tap that back on. You've also got flush cuff quick detach mountings at the rear on both sides. You also have the option you can remove this stock because this is mounted on a small short piece of Picatinny rail. You can just remove that stock and then mount an M4 Picatinny adapter and then mount any other stock assembly you want to it if you so chose. Personally, I think that would be a good idea. So there you go. This is the Proforce SIG MCX, available at All Ages Airsoft. Thanks for watching.